Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now today's project is the last of the Christmas presents I did, which is a ash potpourri bowl. Now I did mention this back in my slapdash potpourri bowl video, and this one is again using Joe Sonia's paints and using a string pull method, which I had first seen done by Wayne the Woodturner, and I thought I really wanted to give it a go. Now this video was filmed around Christmas time, and I did at the end do a recording to show off the bowl. However, I've lost that, and I cannot find it anywhere. It's probably was probably mixed up in the footage of the other video, and I have deleted that. So yeah, so back to square one. At least the project was not lost, and I will put some stills up at the end of this video. And I would just like to dedicate this video to my Aunt Verona, who recently passed away. Now, she was a great inspiration to myself, my family, and also others around her. And she was very encouraging with and loved seeing the work that everyone was doing. So, yeah, so it's just a way, way of trying to remember her as well. So would have loved her to have seen this project. But yeah, so just before we crack on, there is a few other shout outs I just want to do, as I was recently sent some more stickers. The first is David over at Webfruit Resin and Wood Creations. Now, you can find him on Instagram, and he has promised me that he is soon starting a YouTube channel as well, so keep a lookout for that. The next is Paul over at Brookswood Builds. Now, he's got some really interesting projects and a very great guy. So do go check out his channel and follow him on Instagram. Then I also have Steve over at Temple Boy Turnings. Now, he sent me quite a few stickers because he's frankly forking bananas. And so I've got also for his creator van and Creators Kits Ireland. So yeah, do check him out. He's done some great things and some very unique projects that he's working on as well, and live demonstrations. So great to find some inspirational work from as well and to learn from. So and then also in the post I got a sticker for Leona Faye Woodturning. Great creator and some lovely work that she's also done for the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge, so do check out her channel as well. So all the links for these guys will be in the description below, so please do go and check them out. And if you've not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy this project.